Everyone, Satyajit Patnaik here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I shall be talking about a very important cloud training which is being organized by Google. Of course, it's free of cost, and the details about the program will be shared in this particular video. As I already told you that today's topic is all about a new program which is being launched by Google. That's nothing but the Google Cloud Research Innovators Program. The last date to apply for this particular program is 18th of January 2021. So you just have 9 to 10 days to apply for this particular program. The details about this program will be shared very quickly. I will share my screen and we will try to go through that particular program. But just giving you a highlight that these kind of programs are being conducted by Microsoft, by Google, Oracle, IBM. A lot of companies are doing these kind of programs for the freshers, for the people who are very much keen to learn, keen to, go for the research industries related to data analytics, data science, and all those things. This is the very first video of me talking about any program. In the future, also, I will also dig in further and get to know about many such programs, and definitely will share the news with you all so that you can enroll and get the advantages of this particular program. So sharing my screen. Okay, if you look at this particular page, Google Cloud Research Innovators Program, definitely the link of this particular video, this particular link will also be provided in the description below so that you can go through and apply yourself. But some of the key points of this particular program is that it's only applicable to the students of 2021. That means anybody who is going for bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctorate, any students can apply for it. I'm not pretty sure if working professionals can apply for it or not. You can give it a try, but I'm not pretty sure. But definitely, it's meant for the students and freshers. Now, the key points of this particular program I shall be talking about, but there is nothing more to explain when it comes to Google, right? So definitely, whatever Google is providing, it's definitely going to be very good for the students, very good for the research fellow people, and let's just briefly go and discuss about this particular program, Google Cloud Research Innovators Program. If you just scroll down a little bit, you can see why join us. That means what exactly are the reasons to join this particular program. Of course, expanding your network and exposure, building your professional development, and get exclusive access to a lot of things. Now, some of the key points of this particular program is that you get free credits so that you can utilize those credits to go for Google certifications as well. So, just enrolling for this particular program, you will be able to give the certification exams for free. And definitely, if you crack it through, you will be Google certified program, or you can Google Cloud certified, right? Now, going for the expansion of network and exposure, obviously you have to, when you enroll for this program, apart from you, there will be tons of other students as well, other researchers, and other fellow students as well. So there will be an opportunity for you to meet them and understand their area of study, understand their area of research. It's definitely going to be very much beneficial for you. Okay, get invitations to speak at industry events, receive letters of support, which is very important. If you get a letter of support from Google, that's going to be very beneficial for your resume. Gaining public relations and media exposure, be possibly featured in some videos, case studies, blog posts, and other resources as well. So you can go through this particular document in depth. Now you can already see that applications for 2021 school year are only open, right? So I'm not pretty sure if the 19, 20, or 18 grads can also apply for this, but you can try your luck. There is nothing harm in trying, right? So you can access this particular short application form and get your details filled up. Now, if you go to this particular learn more, you will get more details about this program, which I have already opened. Google Cloud Research Innovators Program. The program perks I have already discussed, like in a very layman's point of view, and you can also go through that. How to apply? You can just click here and apply. I'm not going to show this. Definitely, it's going to be very easy for you to apply this. One of the key things which you need to understand is that the prerequisite of this program is that you should have your research paper or your area of study related to Google Cloud. because it's a Google Cloud certification program, right? So you can see this eligibility criteria provide examples of journals, blogs, publications, etc., referencing your work on Google Cloud. So if you have something related to Google Cloud, it's a plus for you. If not, you can still go and apply. Okay, they are not going to reject you for sure. Demonstrate proven usage plus expertise in Google Cloud products. So these are the eligibility criteria which you can go through. Now, just one point to highlight, for people who are not aware of Google Cloud and they haven't gone through Google Cloud, or they don't know how the Google Cloud console looks like, how to do the deployments and all those things. I do have a video related to that in my particular channel. I will also share that videos link in the description below so that you can go through and understand how to deploy a particular application using Google Cloud. I have deployed a machine learning application using Google Cloud. You can also create your own Python application or any related Java application or any application, and you can simply deploy it in Google Cloud, and you will have a very good hands-on experience as well, and you can gain expertise in that, right? And that's kind of a confidence booster for you. Within the next 2 to 3 days you can do that and then apply for it. So this is all about the program. You can get the details about this particular program in depth. I will share the links to these particular two documents in the description below. Apart from that, as I already told you, that this is the first time I am doing such videos promoting such programs, not getting paid for that, of course, because it's by Google. So it doesn't need any promotions, right? Almost every people might also be aware of this particular program. My video is just for people who are not aware of it and who could be beneficial. In future, I shall also be getting related contents when there is a certification or an online program by Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, any kind of free certification programs or any kind of free programs which will definitely enhance your social profile and professional profile. It can enhance your resume. I will definitely make videos on that. And I think that's it for today's video. I would say do not delay. You just have few days left. Go and register for this particular program without any further ado. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. You can also go and check my other contents. Recently I have also gone through an end-to-end machine learning use case related to customer, telecom churning, telecom retention. I do have a lot of plans to go for a lot of live use cases in future as well. So stay connected, subscribe my channel and hit the like button definitely, and try to share it as much as possible. Thank you, guys.